Привет, меня зовут Уля. Я учитель русского языка. И, наконец-то, finally, I would like to introduce you my Russian-English cards. There are 200 Russian verbs. How does it work and how these cards can help me to improve my Russian? Firstly, you will learn or recall imperfective and perfective aspects which are given on each card. Secondly, you'll find the preposition where required, which goes with the verb. Thirdly, there is an example given with the sentence plus the word or phrase in bold after the verb or its preposition. Fourthly, yes, I didn't forget about the emphasis. Fifthly, the case which is used after the preposition. And of course, the English translation. In summary, you will definitely improve your vocabulary and grammar using my cards and learn verbs, its case, aspects, prepositions, the emphasis, plus sentences. You may ask, okay, sounds great. How can I buy or order these cards? All you need is love and your Master or Visa card. The price for 200 Russian verbs, which are given in the PDF file, is $10 or €9. Text me for more details on Instagram.